Step into the enchanting world of Kotagiri's tea gardens, where nature's beauty meets the art of tea making. My visit to Kotagiri was an unforgettable experience, a journey that unveiled the secrets of one of the world's finest teas. It was inspiring to witness the skilled hands of these women, tirelessly plucking tea leaves, ensuring only the best find their way to our cups. The heart of this journey was the tea factory, where the magic happens. The freshly plucked leaves are transformed into the tea we savor. I watched in awe as the leaves underwent a meticulous transformation, each step adding its unique touch to the final flavor. And there it was, the elixir of Nilgiri's, the finely crafted tea, now ready to be enjoyed by tea lovers worldwide. So when you are in Ooty, don't forget to spend time in the tea gardens and visit a tea factory.